boy Willie.
It's your girl Tiff.
And we here doing a seafood boy mukbang video. It's our first video, so we're gonna be kind of like laughy and cheesy and stuff.
But we're gonna eat. We're gonna eat.
We here to eat.
We're gonna do another video.
Get it?
No.
Get it? Get it?
We're gonna do another video introducing ourselves and why we're doing this channel. Like, subscribe, and comment.
So let's start with this. Alright, so what do you want to start with?
I need another fork. Can one of you guys give me another fork?
I get it. I'm ready to eat. I'm ready to eat. I'm hungry. Alright, so we got crabs, corn on the cob, potatoes, and shrimp. And lemon, just to sprinkle it. Oh, and we got
butter sauce.
Smackalicious sauce.
Alright.
But we started with the same. No. No. No.
Let me do.
Dab it on there?
Yeah. Just dab.
Mmm. That's dumb good.
10 out of 10 here for me.
Oh, I forgot the lemon.
This tastes so good. Try somewhere else.
Don't mind my sister, she's back there dying.
Death. It's okay, she'll be alright, I guess.
Get it before Biggie gets it. This is not good, yo. I think I'm gonna crab. You too?
Yeah.
Oh?
What
you know about that? Ooh, it's right here too. Sorry guys, somebody caught me. So we used OD of this Old Bay seasoning in there.
Yeah.
I'll just eat the salad.
Oh, look at that meat.
Man, I love you. Oh. Oh, I got nothing. I got nothing.
What's going on in here?
Nothing. Yo, dinner.
Din. Alright, so we're gonna play 21 questions.
Alright, so you're gonna go first.
Alright.
You ask me.
What's your favorite color?
Blue all day. I'm not a part of a gang. Don't think I'm part of a gang. I'm not. I just really love blue. No, she's not. She's not part of a gang.
Whoopty.
Don't mind her.
6'9".
Don't mind her. She's just pretty crazy.
Where do you see yourself at?
In my mansion with 3 kids.
You'll be 24 in a mansion with 3
Oh,
kids?
no, we're 25 actually. 25. In my mansion. Because I'm gonna be a surgeon. That's all you can say. Yeah. Keep asking me my questions. You only ask me 2.
Alright. Favorite food?
Favorite food? That's a hard. I eat everything, so I don't know.
Literally, we eat everything, like, all the time. Like, we went to McDonald's and
we bought 40 nuggets
and 2 large fries.
Oh, is it nice?
The face you make when your boo ain't acting right.
Oh, I got a lot of me just now.
Me too.
Like that.
Yeah, I did.
She's trying to do like me. She's not so. Why you look at me like that? Alright, we're back.
Sorry about that. Technical difficulties.
Technical difficulties.
Okay.
I was about to say, you did not say that right. Yo, the potatoes is my best part.
No,
Ooh, I want a corn. I want a corn.
Me too. Let me just finish this crab. I'm like eating like a baby.
I'm good. This one like is good. This is the sauce. This sauce is slamming, y'all. Slamming.
Alright, fourth question. Cut that out. Bacon or tacos?
Bacon or tacos?
Like you have to remove one thing out of your life. Bacon or tacos?
Bacon.
Why?
Cause tacos, you can have like many different types of tacos. Steak, chicken, ground beef.
Yeah, but you can't have bacon on a pizza. Alright, I'm gonna do more. What should we do on another video? We're thinking about what we're gonna do on our other
Comment down below what other videos y'all want us to do. Like another mukbang video or just like a vlog or something like that.
We definitely have to do a vlog on Fright Fest. We're gonna go to Fright Fest, so stay tuned. And we're gonna post on Halloween. What should we do? My brother is
A Q&A video.
Muy bueno. I know they're like, how do we know each other? We're family.
That one was slamming. I'm sorry, I'm being like a crazy person. Corn on my teeth. Still recording. I just wish the shrimp didn't get so little. I felt like it means nothing.
For more information, please visit oxygen.com.
How long did it take you to make the sauce?
The sauce? It took me it didn't take me long, I just forgot stuff, so it took me longer to remember. But it was kind of easy. Because I made it before, so.
How long did it take you to do everything?
I started at like 3 or 4 o'clock. And then I had to put the crabs back in because they were still cold.
You put them in first.
I put them in after. That's fine. I put them in last and I took everything out after like 20 minutes. That corn is the best part. Oh, I keep dropping it. What's going on in here? Dinner.
I'm feeling like a slob right now.
Me too.
Because it's just so good.
So good. Alright, so you what we're talking about? What is my potato?
Oh.
What we talking about? You still got mad questions to ask me.
Why don't you ask me a
Because
question?
it goes in a row.
Favorite drink?
Favorite drink? Favorite, like, what section? Juice, soda?
Like, if you go to Dunkin' Donuts.
Colada.
What kind of drink?
Cosmic pineapple one. That one is damn good. If you want to try, you better go try that.
Who do you want to be?
Myself.
Um,
Who or what? Do you mean?
what?
Oh, I told you, a doctor. A surgeon. Either I'm going to be an animal surgeon or a human surgeon. Let's get to these crabs.
Yeah, I need some crabs in my life.
Ooh. Get the claw, get the claw. Like, oh! Yeah! Watch out with that, because that hurt.
On guard.
You haven't timed it. Hi, Aunt. Wait, no, mine. Yeah.
Now you only got one floor to fight with.
That, what's that about the dip? The bone? Whatever that was?
The shot.
Hey, y'all. Finish him. What did you just eat?
Meat.
How did you get meat? You didn't even crack yet.
There's meat on top when you separate them.
Oh, yeah.
Zoom into my face.
Yeah, this is done good.
Yo.
And actually, wasn't even that expensive to make all of this. To do all of this, the whole process, buying all the seafood, buying the shrimp, the crabs, potatoes.
Yummy. One thing you can't live without.
Food. I can't. Like literally, you can't live without food.
What's your favorite food?
What do you mean, like Italian?
No,
Like what?
What's your favorite food? Like just in general. Like one thing you could eat over.
Everything. I don't really have a. I don't like certain foods, but I eat most foods.
How was your birthday?
Oh, my birthday just passed.
Happy belated birthday.
I turned
to my little
15.
brother.
It was Monday.
Half of 30.
Half of 30. That's my catchphrase.
Very, very, very important.
Very.
But what happened afterwards? Like what are the movies?
Also, so tell me how we went to you know on 42nd Street how they be having the events and they be jumping on people and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So we went to that, right? And then there was it was cold. So they was doing it, and they was taking dumb lumps, and then he was going around doing the donations first.
Mm-hmm.
And people was giving him like $20 and stuff, and I put all my change in there that I had, you know, being like I didn't have to put nothing in there.
Mm-hmm.
And I was joking around. I was like, that was $20. He got dumb tight. He was like,
He what?
he got dumb tight.
What you said though?
I was like, that was $20. But I was playing around. I was like, that's $20, like laughing. And then he got dumb tight. He said, don't play with me like that. I got 5 kids. But I gotta do with you having 5 kids.
Why you having 5 kids?
I'm working on the street. They had to know me say, he make more money than my mother. I was dead.
Give me my change back.
That's what I said. Give my change back. And then ran with the whole bag. He said, I think he said he was crip or something like that. Me, he said he would be all of us at the same time, me and my friends. We were just laughing and we laughed. Like, your face. He said he would knock all of our little kids out at the same time.
But yet you asking for money
From little kids. What you gonna do?
Ask your 5 kids for money.
Word. Extra 5 kids having self. Ooh. Scissors got stuck. It's kind of cold. Right?
Too much sauce.
Too much
Sauce.
Right. Literally too much sauce.
I'm not bad.
Potatoes are done good, right?
Yeah.
The potatoes are always my favorite part. I don't know. Oh. Like, I always throw the potatoes.
Yeah.
Let's go. Oh. Let me use those for you. Oh, yeah, my stab my fingers off.
Yeah. It's low. Look at that. Look at it. I'm going with sauce and I'm just eating that slow.
You're retarded.
I see the question. Let me just tell me.
Well, I'm about to do the same thing. That did not sound right. Oh. Gotta be quicker than that. Yo, just let me tell you. That's the one thing I hate about crab, the process of it. But once you get to the meat, you fall in love with it. Oh, that doesn't sound right.
Let me clean up my little mess.
Well, that one was mad cold. I feel like we should have left them in longer, but they was done. They was hot. I don't want that. I want this one. This one's cold too now. I think they cold because they've been sitting out the whole time. Because at first they was hot, and I know because I touched the steak. So yes, any more questions?
Favorite movie?
Favorite movie? I don't have a favorite movie. But my favorite genre, I like horror movies and scary movies. And horror movies and scary movies. Horror movies and funny movies. And comedy movies. Horror and comedy. My favorite two topics. There was nothing in there but it. Oh! What?
This nice little.
And these are snow crabs too, just so you guys know. Not king crabs, snow crabs.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen. This is
You saw me.
Look at the flick of the wrist. Cut my wrist.
Watch this. Look at the flick of their wrist. You said you said ooh to nothing.
Okay, I'm not even that.
I hate when that happened. I want another corn, I think.
Yo, we devoured this. No, we really did.
No, we literally like really did. And it hasn't even been that long.
It's just me and him just ate out of this. Like.
Oh.
What happened?
Sorry. When I bought the shrimp, it said detailed, and it was a tail on that.
You should sue him.
Yeah, because I could have ate that and choked and died.
Yeah, but did you die? I could've.
I should've, would've. I just made no sense. I said it all the way wrong. You should have had a jump. Oh, look at this meat right here. Look at this. Ooh, I'm forgetting about the lemon. You better go under.
You better crawl.
Go under.
Crawl.
Go under. You're gonna be in the way. How are you even recording? Yes,
Yes, it is.
You ruined our video, yeah.
You just said I'm there, so how
He
do
killed my brother, guys.
Me.
That
My dog.
dog. My dog is bad. He pees everywhere. He don't care about nothing. Right?
He'll growl at you too. Like, he'll
No,
cuddle you.
growl or
and he'll-
attack?
Yeah. He's little, so it's like mad weird.
It's funny.
It's
So-
like one of them black fluffy pillows just attacking you.
You're retarded.
That was pretty loud.
Pretty or very?
Very. Oh my god, I'm shocked to have some. Y'all want some?
Hold on, I'm getting my shrimp. And the sauce too.
Like, it's just so good I'm eating it. I'm not even asking questions.
Psych, you thought you'd get one.
But,
You could have thought. You thought what you thought.
you thought wrong. Is there anything in there? No.
They're gonna be tight. Because if we bought these crabs and already been in it, all that been in them so far is just air.
I'll take them back.
We all taking them back? Put on there, Why you just bend it like that?
I want to get a chicken and train it how to twerk.
She's stupid. Like, who says that?
Me. Like, he'll shake his his little
Tentacles.
tentacles. Is he an octopus? Gotta eat a mess.
I feel so dumb right now.
Hold him. Call all of y'all.
Alright.
Alright.
Yo, we gotta finish this. Oh, we gotta leave mouth to mouth.
Yeah.
Do you really get what that means? What? I thought you dropped it. I was about to say, you dumb tight. Big tight. You dumb tight. Dumb tight. Yeah, we saw this a lot. Oh, we're gonna leave mom one piece of corn. Wait, how much we need? Maybe you're gonna eat one more and leave the last two, I guess, for whoever else. Because that's kind of greedy of all of it. It was a lot. It was a lot of corn. A lot of corn. It was 8 pieces, and it was only 4 left. What about one next? I don't know.
One neck. You got one neck?
I said, what about one next? I don't know. I don't know. Do you know what you want next? I got one neck.
One neck. I got one neck.
Yo, I saw this video, this other mukbang video, and the guy, you know how I got all this thing around it? He was eating it. He was eating that too. He said, we don't waste food around here.
You hungry?
And then, another video, he was eating shrimp, fried shrimp. He ate the shrimp, the tail, everything. He said, my mother always told me, whatever's on your plate, you better eat all of it. That's how he was raised. He said that's how he was raised. So he ate the whole thing. His wife was like, you eating the tail too? He was like, yeah, I eat everything. He said, literally everything. And he winked. I was like, oh, that old people is nasty. Look at the water just came out of it.
Ew.
The red meat is so red like that. I'm about to say red is so meat like that. Yo, there's nothing in here. This, my finger.
I just looked at her. I don't know why.
Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna ask you a question now, because you failed to accomplish your goal. I mean, to accomplish the task.
Okay, no.
So I'm gonna do it. So, first question, where were you born and raised?
I was born in East Harlem and raised in East and West Harlem.
You was raised everywhere.
And then my mom was in the army too.
She was raised everywhere. She was in every state every week.
Raised in them.
Alright, so what about maneuver around this?
The corn is so juicy.
The corn is good. It looks so good though. It is good. Well, I'm not gonna go and taste it. It looks so good. You're so retarded. Look what this meat right here. I'm scared to eat it because I hate eating the shell. I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna throw everything on the shell. I don't, you know.
We should make Rice Krispie treats.
Oh shit, that's a good idea. I'm gonna make, I'm gonna say fried Oreos. Everybody doing fried Oreos. That's gonna be whack.
We should do truffle Oreos. I'll explain that.
Y'all ever heard of that?
They crush up the Oreos, they roll it in balls, and then they freeze it, and then
They
they
roll it
crush
in balls. They roll Oreos in balls.
You crush it with the food processor.
And you roll it in balls.
And you roll it in balls, and you dip it in chocolate, you put on parchment paper, and you put it in the fridge.
Come on. Get in the video. Right there. You want some, right? But we're gonna say, hold on. We're gonna save you some. We're not gonna eat all of it. You fool? Yeah, because you ate everything. What? Oh, no. I asked you to clean it for us. Nothing. They know. So yeah, I'm gonna ask you more questions. So, don't know what to ask you.
That's why I stopped asking questions.
What's your favorite movie?
I don't have a favorite movie.
Why she just bothered me like that? She was like, I'm retarded. Yo, it's dumb cold in here. Yo, I'm scared though. But these already come cooked. They're pre-cooked, I think, right? Oh no, I don't know. I just know that they was frozen, and we cooked them for about 30 minutes. Oh, look at this! Oh, snap! Got the goodies. Got the munchies.
Oh my god.
Ew, I don't like when I have that.
It's all over my face.
Huh? But pretend just got it. Next time we gotta do next time we do a seafood mukbang, we're gonna do with cream crabs, the big ones.
That's a really long time from now because this is like our second in a month.
Word. No. Yeah, it is.
Alright.
You done?
My belly says I'm done.
Look how many chicken you got. Oh, I need mouse. But still. Do you reckon she's done? I'm gonna eat this last corn and we can wrap up the video. This video was mad.
Because we were eating.
And it was our first time, so that's why. Don't judge us. It was our first time. It's our
Our
first
next
time.
video is going to be lit.
You're gonna be dumb funny. Dumb funny. Dumb funny.
Yo, all I did was eat throughout the whole video. I barely slept. Like, it was just so good. Y'all wouldn't understand.
Ah! What in my eye? I'm like Petty Walters now. Yeah, baby. Ah, burn more.
1738. I wonder what happened to him.
It lost his eye.
Talk about, like, in general.
How?
No, I'm talking about, like, what happened to him. He stopped making music.
What he do, but
Featuring.
he's just gone now. Like, no, like he's just like, he's just not like out there no more.
Alright. Oh.
Where you going?
To put this in the garbage. This is what happens.
I was just right there.
I'm tired.
You got the itis?
I look like a little fetus. Alright, ladies.
But you got more napkins? Can I do first?
But you was able to ask me if there was more napkins. Alright, ladies. And
Wait.
ladies.
Wait.
Oh, I look pregnant.
Alright, so
Mi gente.
this is gonna be it for the video today. This is our first video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, do all of that. All that. Do all of that.
And we're just
Comment what you want us to do next. What else?
And in the description, we're gonna put everything that we had.
Our social media.
How long it took us to make it.
I'm not putting all of that. You can do all of that. I'm not doing all of that.
It's not
I'm gonna just put.
well, it's not gonna sound like a
stuff.
lot right now. Well, it sounds like a lot right now. It's not gonna sound. It's not gonna be a lot.
All right, so yeah, that's gonna be it for this video today. We're gonna do more, like I said. Comment more video suggestions. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace, holla. Yeah.
Swag.
But she wanna stay with a thug for real. 1 a.m. we probably be at the club. 2 a.m. probably